right, this is A3 main, going to be starting in P3. This is going to be the battle for the win in this one. Should be fun. McLaren versus Ferrari. Good luck.
Lui, il devrait s'en aller.
Merci messieurs. Merci messieurs. Non. Les matchs sont complets. Les races sont complets. We're starting in 45 from time. At the time, not one time. Take off the long découlé dans le Alex Raphaël de John, Alex Gentleman, en overall, le 7.1, Alex monte à la 4e place overall, Thomas. Lima last, Alex is more than a for Alex on the Jim 11-2, Andrew 10-9, and Chris Romani over. Yep, it's between Andrew and Jim. Andrew and Jim. Andrew, go ahead and lead a race right now. Third is about to go John, Alex, Andrew, Jim, and
Oh, damn, you're right there. Oh, you caught up fast. Oh, damn. Trying to block and went up on two wheels.
120 to go, 120 to go, and it's gone to Chris, graduating. At the moment, we will move on to Chris. So now, to the next class. Around 23 seconds behind Alex. 55 seconds to go. 55 seconds to go.
Oh. I let off a bit for you.
First place now. Second. 50 seconds.
Oh, what a race, guys. What a race. Wow. Nicely done, man. Nicely done. That was a good race, man. Good race. Thank you. Thank you.
Je veux la place là. Juste place là.
Man, I was puckering when I cut in through there on you. Like, oh! We got first place. I think I'm still going to get third overall. It'll come down to the numbers now. Now they'll have to do some math to figure out who got second. Right on, man. Yeah, fun race. All right, guys, that was A3 main. I got first in that. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new or here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.